Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to reset the chat wallpaper in WhatsApp on your PC. If you're looking to restore the default wallpaper or simply want to change it back to its original state, these steps will help you achieve that. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the WhatsApp app on your PC. Step 2. Go to the Settings menu. Step 3. Open the Personalization option. Step 4. Under the Chat Wallpaper section, click on Reset. By following these simple steps, you can easily reset the chat wallpaper in WhatsApp on your PC. This will revert the wallpaper back to its default settings, giving your chats a fresh new look. And there you have it. You have successfully reset the chat wallpaper in WhatsApp on your PC. Now you can enjoy the default wallpaper or choose a new one to personalize your chats. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful WhatsApp tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.